Screen is shared.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. It is shared.
Yes. Exercise 5.1. Screen is shared. Screen is shared or not?
Sir, it is shared.
Okay. Question number 2.
Sir, it is here.
Okay. Soapers. First column is soapers.
Sir, question number first समझा दीजिए.
Which part? In question number first you have okay. In question number first you have to tell only that histogram will possible or not. Histogram is possible or not. You have to mention such that first. Enough.
Yes, sir.
Soapers.
Voice is not coming.
Soapers daily marks.
Sir, I have done question number second.
Okay. Frequency. And soaper R here is that is your man. M stand for man, W stand for woman, and boys stand for B and girls for boys, and that is girl. That is girl. Now, please tell me one by one who will read the such as W W W G B W W. Who will read? Only one student. Only one student. Please read the table one by one. Kushi Kumari.
Sir, may
Only Kushi Kumari. Okay.
I? Okay, sir.
Yes. Don't.
Done.
Okay. Wait. Kushi Kumari, wait. Don't disturb the other student. Okay. I am making the table and Kushi Kumari is read the table. Okay. Yes. Start Kushi Kumari.
W.
Wait. W.
W.
2 times.
W.
W. 3 times.
G.
G.
B.
B.
W.
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 W. Listen to me. Your 4 has been complete and 5 will be crossing. 5 will mark as that is crossing. It is 5. Next.
M.
M for man.
G.
G for girl.
G.
G for another girl.
M.
M for man.
N.
M for man.
W.
W for woman. Yes. Next.
W.
W for woman.
W.
W another woman.
W.
W another woman.
G.
G for girl. Very good.
B.
B for boy.
M.
M for man.
W.
W for listen to me. W is another 5 pair. Cross it. Yes.
T.
Yeah.
G.
G cross it. Yes.
G.
Where G?
M.
M for man. Cross it as such as.
W.
W for woman.
W.
W for woman.
N.
Wait, one second. W here too. W. One second. W. Man.
N.
M. Yes.
N.
M.
W.
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 M.
M.
W.
W,
V.
yeah, B,
Yes, sir.
B,
W.
W,
G.
G,
M.
M,
W.
W,
W.
W,
W.
W. Hey, one second, one second, one second. Okay. Here there is 4 and 1, 5. Yes.
Again W.
Again W. That is next.
G.
G.
W.
One second, one second, one second, one second. That is your. One second. Five. This and this. Okay. Next.
W.
In W. Yes.
M.
N.
N.
With N.
W.
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 Yes. Close.
M.
M.
W.
W.
G.
G.
W.
W.
N.
N.
G.
G.
W.
F. W.
M.
N.
M.
N.
B.
B.
G.
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 G. G. G. Yes.
And W.
And W. W is this. And
Done, sir.
okay. That is your 15. That is 15 plus 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 3, and 25 and 28. 28. And it becomes your 4. And it becomes your 5, 5, 10, and 4, 14. Is adding. Any doubt? That is your
No, sir.
18 plus 28. 46, 46 plus 15. 61. कोई मिस है सर, ये तो अधिक हो गया है, मिस हुआ है. How many totals?
Sir, the boys are having 5.
How many?
So boys are having
And
5.
boys are 5.
Okay, okay. Why are 5? Okay, wait.
And boys are 12.
Okay, wait.
Boys are 12.
Okay. Boys are 5. Yes or
So girls are 12.
And girls are 12.
girls are 12? Okay. Girls are 12. Girls are 12. That is your 5. And more. Remaining are correct. 27, 42, 42 or 28, 16. 16. Yes. Now correct me. Yes. Now correct it.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Now you have to draw a bar graph. Now you have to draw a bar graph. Bar graph. Now you have to draw a bar graph. Yes. To draw the bar graphs, we will take number of stopper here. And your maximum stopper is 15, 28. Okay. Yes. That is number of stoppers. Zero x and this is your y. That is your 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. Here man is how many men? 15, 15, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 58, 15. A man and woman is 28. Woman is 28. Woman is 28. Next is your y is 5. Y is 5. Y is 5. Next is your girl is 12. Girl is 12. You have to draw in bar and graph paper. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The weekly wages in rupees of 30 worker in a factory are 830, 835, 890, 810 and so on. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with interval 800 to 810, 810 and 820 and so on. You have to make a frequency distribution table. Okay? Question number 3. Class intro. Daily marks and your frequency. Yes. Weekly wages in rupees. Class interval your weekly wages. You can write here weekly wages. In rupees. That is your 800. Minimum is सबसे कम क्या है? What is minimum?
800 to
800 to 800. Maximum is, please tell me. What is your maximum?
The maximum is 890 to 900.
Okay. 830, 832, 840, 842, 850, and 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, and next is your 880 to 890 and 890 to 900. Enough? Yes. Listen students, In 800 to 810, 800 is included, but 810 is not included. 809.99, 809.99 is here. 810 will include here. Okay, 820 will not include in 820 include here. My concept is clear or not?
Yes.
In 800 to 810, 800 is included, but 810 is not included. In 810, 809.99, but in 810 to 820, 810 to 820, 810 is included, but 820 is not included. Yes. Who will read? Who will read the data?
Sir, Sumit Singh.
Sumit Singh. Yes. Okay. Now Sumit Singh. Only Sumit Singh will read the data. Speak loudly.
So 830.
Wait. 830. 830 lie between 810 से 820. Yes. Very good.
835.
835. 830 से 840 के बीच में. Yes. Very good.
890.
890. 890. 908. 890. 90. Yes.
Sir, 810.
810. 810 is here.
835.
835 is here.
836.
836 will again here in this group.
869.
869. 869 will lie in this group. Yes, very good.
845.
845 will lie here. Yes.
898.
898 lie between 890 and 900. Yes.
890.
890.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
820.
820. 820 lie here.
860.
860. 860 will lie 860 to 870. Yes.
832.
32 lie 830 to 840. Yes, very good.
833.
833. Yes. Okay, next.
855.
855.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
845.
845 lie here. Very good.
804.
804 will lie here.
808.
808 lie here. Yes.
812.
812 will lie here. Yes.
840.
840 will lie here. Yes.
885.
885 that is lie here.
835.
835 will lie here.
Again 835.
Yes. Very good.
836.
836 will lie here.
878.
878 lie here.
840.
840 will lie here.
868.
868 will lie here.
890.
890 will lie here.
806.
806 will lie here.
And last one 840.
840 will lie here. Yes? And now any problems? Now,
No, sir.
that is 3.
I want to note down.
That is 3. That is your what? That is your 5 plus 3, 8. And that is your 5. It becomes 1. It is 3. Next is your 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. And it is your 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1. 6, 1, 7, 7 or 8. 15, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26 or 4, 30. 30. Is clear or not? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
When I was speaking,
In question number 4, you have to draw a histogram by using the frequency distribution table which is made in question number 3. Question number 3 की टेबल का यूज करके you have to draw a histogram. Okay? Now your 800 to 810 number of workers are 3 whose wages is weekly wages is 800 to 810 number of workers are 3. Number of workers are 3. That is your 3. Draw it. Now you are making a histogram, so there will be no gap between histograms. And 810 to 820 also 3. Also 3. That is 3. And next is your 820 to 830. 1. 1. Next is your 830 to 840. 8. 30 to 48. 8. Any doubt, any problems up to here?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Now 840 to 855. 5. That is your 5. Your next is 850 to 861. 1. And next is 860 to 870. 60 to 70, that is 3. 60 to 70, that is 3. Eight 860 to 70, that is 3. And 870 to 880. 1. And continuously 1, 1. Both are continuously 1, 1. You see? Also 1. It is also 1. 1 and 1. 90 to 900, 4. 90 to 900, it becomes 4. That is your 4. It becomes 4. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your concept is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please tell me
Yes, sir.
which group has the maximum number of workers?
The group of 830 and 830 to 840.
Yes. Yes. First group 830 to 840. 830 to 840 has maximum number of workers. Maximum number of workers. Maximum number of workers. Maximum number of workers. Group 830 to 840 has maximum number of workers. Maximum number of workers. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No problems? Your next one is how many workers earn 840 and more? 850 and more. How many workers? 850 here. That is your 850 and more. 13114. After 850, 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 10 workers.
10 workers.
Yes, number of workers are 850 and more. Number of workers are rupees 850 and more. That is your, it add it 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. It becomes 10. 10 workers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your next one is how many workers earn less than 850? 850. Total number of workers 30. 30 minus 10. 20 workers.
So 20 workers.
Yes. Number of workers earn less than rupees 850. 850. That is 30 minus 10. 20 workers. 20 workers. 20 workers. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now question number 5 complete in homework.
सर नंबर 3 में सर पॉइंट 3 में आपने क्या लिखा है?
Number of workers earn less than 850 rupees. 30 minus 10, 20 workers. Number of workers earn less than 850 rupees. 30 minus 10, that is 20 workers. Okay. Now question number 5 as a homework. Tomorrow I will start the exercise 5.2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.